Today's house we love is a spacious, semi-detached stone villa in the heart of a charming medieval village in the region of Umbria. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We're very excited to have so many new subscribers, but just want to remind everyone we're not the realtor, so we can't remove the watermarks in the video, and we find them annoying too. But despite those, this house is just too good not to share. It sits within the ancient historical walls of the village of Collemancio and has 127 square meters of living space, including 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a storage cellar, and a small fenced garden nearby. The interior finishes are older, but have been well maintained and remain true to the original charm of the property. We especially love the terracotta tile flooring, wooden ceiling beams, and exposed stone on the stairwell. And the fireplaces add even more charm. The realtor also states that there are single glazed windows and shutters, cast iron radiators, and fiber optic internet. But they don't specify if it's being sold furnished or not. According to the realtor, it was built around 1900 and has undergone some renovations, including structural consolidation. The roof and stone facade were redone in 1995. Then, in 2005, the electrical and copper heating systems were redone. This home is in a very beautiful area, overlooking the mountains, and within easy reach of many breathtaking historic villages, including well-known Assisi. And it's only 21 kilometers to Umbria International Airport. It's in move-in ready condition and is on the market for just €90,000. Please contact the realtor with any questions. There's a link to their original listing in the video notes below. Thanks so much for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support is very much appreciated and helps us to continue to share more exceptional Italian homes for sale under €150,000. We'll be back soon with many more.